Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix installation failed or download failed in GOG Galaxy? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and delete all the download files and then simply go into your Google Chrome again. There could be a couple reasons why your download could be failing and your installation could be failing. So let's just go ahead and open CMD or command prompt as an administrator first. And once you've done that, write this command right over here. So net sh space winsock space reset and click on enter, and then simply go ahead and restart your computer first. Once you've restarted your computer, what you want to do is simply go ahead into your network and internet settings and go to Ethernet right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and go into your DNS server assignment, click on edit and make sure it is turned on manual and your preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4. and now once you've downloaded your GOG file setup, so for example GOG Galaxy download, and once you've simply downloaded your setup, so let me just go ahead and do it. There you go. If I click on that, and now as you can see my setup is already downloaded, I'm going to open it on folder, and now all you need to do is just right click on it and then run as administrator. So that is about it. Once you've done that, your installation should be perfectly fine. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.